You hear that?
I'll change it to an ice cream.
Whoa.
Cherry, blue raspberry, or orange chocolate mix them. Sure. Yeah, right? Thank you, folks. We'll be right out with your questions.
Cool, huh? You like that? You like that?
Heidi, was that cool? Heidi. Heidi. I see you.
How much is an ice cream?
Where are you? Where are we right
I
now?
was gonna get a root beer,
Heidi, where are you?
but since the icy and the root beer both don't come with a refill,
Where are you at? What's it? Where do we call?
Okay, you're gonna get a pizza?
Show me this.
I don't know. Is that what you're gonna get, Donna? I don't know how big it is.
Are you having fun?
We should ask her how big it is. Because I'm pretty sure it's a big.
I know, it's really cool.
Excuse me.
Yep. There's lots of cool stuff in here, huh?
Daddy, what's up?
Oh, go to the fish. And also
There's raindrops over there. Ray, don't move my arm.
there